Hi, welcome to Spending Time with Aunt Jess. I am mother to Jeremiah and aunt to Cash, Jade, Isaac, Cruz, Jackson, Ellis, Emma, Lewis, Cove, Oliver, and many more. Today, with Halloween next week, I thought my friend and I would read you a Halloween book. This one is called Don't Push the Button, a Halloween treat by Bill Cotter. I just found this one and I thought it was really cute. But you're going to have to help me with this book. So if you can please help me as I read the book to you. Wow. We did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left. But I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live there. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? Please, please, please don't ring that doorbell. Don't ring the doorbell. I'll give you all of my candy if we go home right now. Don't push the button. Don't ring the doorbell. Don't do it. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say trick or treat. Go ahead, push the button. I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door slowly. Eek! Monsters! Shout boo to scare them away. Did you shout boo? Again! Louder! All those monsters. That's better. Looks like there's a note. For Larry. Can you cut the string and get it down for me? Cut the string. Cut the string. Cut it. The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Can you clap twice for me? Surprise, Larry! We have an extra special treat for you, trick-or-treaters. Look at that big button. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push the button! Look at all that candy. Happy Halloween! I told you we should trick or treat at this house. I hope you enjoyed this book and I hope you all have a very happy Halloween. And until next time, I can't wait for you to spend some time with Aunt Jess.